everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and I've got another Tipsy Tuesday tip for you. Let's make some marinated mozzarella balls. We can buy them at the grocery store, and that's good in a pinch, but I think it's kind of cool to make them ourselves. So, mozzarella balls, olive oil, red pepper flakes. I've got thyme, oregano, and rosemary. Feel free to put whatever you want in there, all fresh. Let's give it a pinch of salt. Of course, a little bit of pepper. I mean, let me tell you, look how easy this was to do. Give them a toss, let them marinate for a few hours in the fridge. I'm excited about this. Okay, and then just go ahead and put them, and isn't that just much more fresh than buying the stuff and you have no idea how long it's been sitting in there? Let's give it a taste. Oh, that was yummy. It's easy breezy.